Good morning, children. Children, we are doing exercise 11.2. In our last video, we had done conversion of rupees into paise. So, you remember now? To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100. And if the question is given in rupees and paise, so we multiply number of rupees by 100 and we add paise. And when the question is given with the symbol and the decimal point, and if we have to convert into paise, so what we do? Yes, we just remove this symbol rupee and we just remove the decimal point. So children, we just remove the rupee symbol and we just remove the decimal point and we get the number of paise. At the same time, we had done conversion of paise into rupees and paise. Means question is given in paise and you have to find answer in rupees and paise. So what will we do? Yes, suppose we have 1875 paise and you have to convert it into rupees and paise. So what will we do? The number on the left side of the point indicates the rupees and the number on the right hand side of the point indicates the paise. You know this, no? So how will you convert it? Yes, to convert, we put a point after 2 digits from the right of the given number. And these 2 digits denotes paise. So similarly here, 1875 paise. So you will put decimal after 2 digits. 1, 2. So you put decimal here. So we will have 18.75. So 18.75 and put here a rupee symbol. Means 18 rupees and 75 paise. Okay. Similarly 2090 paise. So again you count here 2 digits. 1, 2. Now put here a decimal. So we have 20.90. So you have 20 rupees 90 paise. And if you have 25 paise, so again you count 1, 2. You put here decimal. So we are getting 0.25. So no rupees na. So we write 0 rupee. So 0.25. Okay. And give here the rupee symbol. So children, there is no rupees. So you will put here 0 for rupees. I hope it is clear. Now today we will do exercise 11.2 question number 3. In our last class we had done question number 1 and question number 2. Today we will do our question number 3. Convert into rupees and paise. One has been done for you children. 2684 paise. Count here 2 digits. 26.84. So we have rupees 26.84. Means 26 rupees 84 paise. I hope it is clear. Now moving to next questions. Suppose we have 7290 paise. Again you count here 2 digits. So we will have 72.90. Means rupees 72.90. 72 rupees 90 paise. Now 185 paise. Again you count 2 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2. Put here a decimal. So rupees 1.85. So 1 rupee 85 paise. Now here only 95 paise. Again you count here 2 digits. 1, 2. Put here decimal. So there is no rupees, no. So how much rupees? 0. So we will have 0.95. Means 0 rupee 95 paise. Now here 1000 paise. Again you count here 2 digits. Put here a decimal. So rupees 10.00. You may look here. So children, in this way you will convert paise into rupees and paise. I hope it is clear children. Okay. Now children, in this exercise 11.2, question number 3, answer the following questions here and question number 4. So these question number 4 and question number 5 you will not do. It's omitted. Okay. So this question, it's omitted. You mention in your book. And question number 5 also omitted. Question number 5 also omitted. Okay, so these two questions we will not do, question number 4 and question number 5. Now children, we will move to our next topic, that is addition of money. So you have to add given money and you have to find the sum. Addition you will do in the same manner as we had done in our last chapters. Simply you will add from the digits at the ones place and then you will write the final answer here. So here children, find the sum and you have to start addition from this side. 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 carried 1. Now 1 plus 7 plus 8, that is, yes, 16. So you will add here. Here is the decimal point given in between rupees and paise. So you will also put here the decimal point and the final answer you will write here. Okay, I will show you, wait. So children, we will write the final answer, rupees 16.68. So 16 rupees 68 paise is the sum. Similarly, move to question number D. You add here 5 plus 7 is your 12, 2, carried 1, 1 plus 8 plus 9, that is 18, 8 carried 1, 1 plus 7 plus 2, 10, 0 carried 1, 1 plus 2 plus 5, that is 8. Write the final answer, rupees 80.82, that is 80 rupees 82 paise. Moving to question number E. Here children, again you will do addition in the same way and then you will write here the final answer. Moving to question number G. Again you add here 8, 6, 14, 4 carried 1. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3. Here 1 carried 2. Now again 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9. 24, 4 carried 2. Now again you do addition. You will get here 13. So final answer you write here, rupees 134.14. That is 134 rupees and 14 paise. Moving to question number 2. Add the following by writing the amounts vertically in proper columns. So here children, amounts are given, rupees 100.00, next amount rupees 60.50 and rupees 19.80. And these three you will arrange in columns and you will add and then you have to write the final answer. I will show you how will you arrange in copy. We will make here two columns children, rupees column and the paise column. Under the rupees column you write this 100. Under the paise column you write this paise 00. Again under the rupees you write here 60 rupees. Now point is here, so point. Now paise is 50, paise 50. Next third amount is rupees 19. Under the rupees you write 19. Under the paise 80 paise. So this point you write and 80 paise. Now you have already arranged in column. Now you will do addition. So children, we will do addition and we are getting 1 rupees 180.30. That is rupees 180 and 30 paise. I hope it is clear. Moving to question number C. Here the first amount is rupees 108 and 50 paise, rupees 16, 59 paise, rupees 121 and 70 paise. So these three amounts you will add. Again you make here two columns, rupees column and the paise column. Write 108 under the rupees column, point 50 under the paise column. Rupees 16 under the rupees column, point this 59 under the paise column. Now rupees 121 under the rupees column and the 70 paise under the paise column. Now we have already arranged in column. Now you will do addition. So children, on addition we are getting rupees 246 and 79 paise. So write here the final answer. Now we are moving to question number E. Here rupees 200 00 paise, rupees 300 00 paise and rupees 100 and 10 paise. Now again you make here two columns. You will arrange rupees and paise under the columns. Now start addition children. Here all are zeros. So 0, 0, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Again all are zeros. Write here 0. Again all are zeros. Write here 0. And 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6. So we have final answer rupees 600.60 0.10, that is rupees 610 paise. This is your final answer. I hope it is clear. Now children, moving to last question number F. Here rupees 29 38 paise, rupees 49 56 paise, rupees 29 and 94 paise. Again we are making here two columns and arrange numbers accordingly. 29.38, 49.56 and 29.94. So 29.94. Now you add here children. So children, our final answer is rupees 108.88. That is rupees 108 and 88 paise. I hope it is clear children. Now moving to the home assignment. Exercise 11.3. Question number 1. All the sums you will do in book. But question number 2. All sums you will do in your copy. So children, till then thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.